Howdy. Some of you might have been wondering about how to do this assignment that we talked about in class, where you need to enter your questions into the survey that we're building to assess our own learning at the beginning of class. So here's the lowdown. First of all, you need to open up your Gmail, and you can see along the top of Gmail it has several options. One of them is Documents. If you click on Documents, it'll open up a tab that looks like this, but there'll be less stuff in it. It'll have my collections on the side here, but below that will be collections shared with me. And in collections shared with me will be the collection that I created called, let's see, where is it? SOCH 45550. And in SOCH 45550 is this green item here called Survey 1. There's also Survey Draft, which is blue, which has the content of the questions, but you want to go ahead and you can open them both. Might be helpful because then you would see where your questions are. But it's the green one here that you need to click on to open and then edit that. When you open it, it'll look like this, and this isn't the form, this isn't the part of it that you enter. This is where the data gets entered once people start filling out the form. So what you need to do is click on under Form here, okay, Edit Form. Okay, and so I've already done that, and here it is. Oops. Sorry, I didn't mean to supersize that there. Okay, and so this is what it looks like when you can edit it. And for instance, I made this very first question here, and I'm going to go ahead and make an edit to that. And I'm going to give people a hint, right? Make sure you get the last 5 digits, like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put H.T. Welser to let everyone know that I made that question. And you should probably do this for the questions you make too. I didn't think I would have to be too draconian on paying attention to who does what, but I think it'd probably be helpful to make sure that people that do the work get the credit. So I'm going to go ahead and click this little pencil button there, and that's been edited. Now what you should do is you should show up here, and in the kind of the appropriate location along here, I've made a bunch of dummy questions that you can replace. So in any of these questions here that is just this repetitive sort of jazz, you can just click edit that, and you can change that. You can change the type, multiple choice, text, paragraph, check boxes, and we're probably going to prefer to use grids and multiple choice, and maybe choose from a list depending on the type of question we have to ask. And then when you're done editing it, you can click the little pencil again, and it'll be done. So anyway, so go ahead and make sure you get your questions uploaded to Survey 1, the same survey. We can't have people doing like 5 different surveys, just one survey. And so this is that. Hope that helps.